Hi everyone, welcome back to the Renko Trading Channel. I'm Carl, and today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can significantly impact your trading success, setting the right brick size in Renko charts. Specifically, we'll be discussing the differences between fixed and dynamic brick sizes and how to choose the best option for your trading style. I am Carl. You are watching Renko Trading Channel. First, let's quickly define what brick size is in Renko charts. Brick size determines when a new brick forms on your chart, based solely on price movement. Unlike traditional candlestick charts that focus on both time and price, Renko charts only care about price. This makes them incredibly effective at filtering out noise and highlighting trends. But the key to making Renko charts work for you lies in setting the right brick size. Let's start with fixed brick size. This is a static value that you set when you create your Renko chart. No matter how volatile the market is, the brick size stays the same. For example, if you set your brick size to $5 every time the price moves $5 in a given direction, a new brick is formed. Advantages: simplicity, it's easy to set up and understand. Consistency, since the brick size doesn't change, your chart is more predictable. Disadvantages: not adaptive, fixed brick sizes don't adjust to market volatility, which can sometimes lead to either too much noise or missed opportunities. Now, let's talk about dynamic brick size. Unlike fixed brick sizes, dynamic brick sizes adjust according to market volatility. The most common method to set a dynamic brick size is by using the average true range (ATR) indicator. With ATR, your brick size expands during volatile periods and contracts during calmer periods. Advantages: adaptability, it adjusts to market conditions, making it more responsive to changes in volatility. Trend following, dynamic brick sizes can help you capture larger trends without getting caught in minor price fluctuations. Disadvantages: complexity, setting up and understanding dynamic brick sizes can be more complicated. Less predictable, because the size changes, it can be harder to predict when a new brick will form. So, how do you choose between fixed and dynamic brick sizes? Here are a few tips. For scalpers or short-term traders, a fixed brick size might be better because of its simplicity and predictability. You can set a small brick size to capture quick movements in the market. For swing or long-term traders, a dynamic brick size could be more effective. It adapts to market conditions, allowing you to ride longer trends without getting stopped out by minor fluctuations. Market conditions: if you're trading in a volatile market, a dynamic brick size can help you stay on top of big moves. In a more stable market, a fixed brick size might be sufficient. Here are a few practical tips. Starting with a fixed brick size makes it easier to see how price movements are shown on Renko charts. It provides clear trends and patterns without the confusion that can come with changing brick sizes. This simplicity is especially helpful for beginners, allowing them to build confidence in using the charts effectively. Experiment with dynamic. Once you're comfortable, try setting a dynamic brick size using ATR. Most trading platforms offer this feature, and it can add an extra layer of precision to your trading. Test before trading. Always backtest your strategy with different brick sizes before going live. This will help you understand how each setting impacts your results. That's it for today's video on setting brick sizes in Renko charts. I hope this helps you choose the right brick size for your trading style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to visit my website, lacois.com, for more trading insights and resources. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!